Hello class, this morning we have continuation of trigonometry ratio. So today we have done last video we treat example 2, but today we are in example 3, and this will be the last example we are going to use on this topic before we now move on to sine rules of angle, and cosine rules. So right now we are going to solve this one, so that if you have not understand it very well, now with this you can be able to master it. So let's go there. Remember, we're going to draw our angle. Solution. This is cos x. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Now what is here? Cos s is what? 5 over 13. Now adjacent 5 over what? 13. And here a is unknown. So we have to find a first before we can be able to go to sin x tan s, sin s plus cos s. Without knowing the value of a, that is the opposite side, we cannot be able to find this. So right now we are going to find using our right angle triangle. Now, from Pythagoras, a square equal to c square minus b square. From Pythagoras. Remember that this is the a side, b side, and c side. So we are going to substitute now. What is a? We are looking for a square. A square is equal to c square is what? 13. That is the hypotenuse side, the longest side, which is what? 13 square minus b, which is what? 5 square. A square equal to 13 square will give you what? 169 minus 5 square will give you what? 25. A square equal to 169 minus 25 will give you what? 144. Now a alone equal to square root of 144. Square root of 144, which is what? 12. A equal to what? 12. Now we have gotten this side to be 12. So from here now we can be able to find the values of a, b, and c. Now I hope you have seen the board, because we have to wipe this place so we can continue solving. A. Find sine x. Sine x, which is equal to, what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, which is opposite over hypotenuse, and that is what? From the triangle. Opposite over hypotenuse, which is what? Here is 12. Remember, 12 over what? 13. And b is what? Tan x. What is tan theta? Opposite over adjacent. Tan x equal to opposite over adjacent, which is equal to what? 12 over 5. And what is sin x plus cos x? C sin x plus cos x. Sin x is what? 12 over 13. 12 over 13 plus cos x is what? 5 over 13. 5 over 13. So we find the LCM between 13 and 13, which is what? 13. 13 divided 13, 1 times 12. 12 plus 13 divided 13, 1. 1 times 5, 5. this is equal to what? 17 over 13. And that is what? C sin s plus cos s is going to give you what? 17 all over what? 13. And that is the answer. Hope you have learned how to solve any of these problems. Don't mind that they can give you here to be sin theta, they can give you to be sin x, they can give you to be sin y. Just note that we are going to still use the same formula. Don't allow any alphabet to deceive you. If they say here is sin theta, it's the same opposite of a hypotenuse. If they say it's sin x, it's the same opposite of a hypotenuse. If they say it's sin y, it's the same opposite of a hypotenuse. If they say it's sin a, it's the same opposite of a hypotenuse. The same thing applicable to cos theta and tan theta. So don't allow any of the alphabets to deceive you. Maybe the one they will give you in your exams will be maybe different by the alphabet. So don't be deceived. Anytime they give you the same, follow the same method and you're going to get the same answer. Thank you and I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.